Good morning, everyone. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and I was about to do a video to show you how to make a really good punch. It's about to start slicing some lemons when the power went off, and it's out in the whole neighborhood, including traffic lights, so hard telling how long it's going to be before the power comes off. So, talk at you later. Okay, so I'm back. Power's still not on. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on some of the prep stuff. I can do everything except use the blender because I don't have any way to get power to the blender. So anyway, I'm going to show you. I've got my ingredients here. We've got ginger ale, some dehydrated raspberries. There's also some freeze-dried strawberries. I don't have any fresh blueberries today, so I have some frozen ones, and I also have some dehydrated ones that I can rehydrate in some water. 2 lemons, and then there's some lemonade. And first thing I'm going to do is slice the lemons into rounds, and I always make sure that my knife is nice and sharp before doing anything with it. And I already washed off the lemons, so I'm gonna slice these into nice rounds that can be used as garnishments. Take just a little bit more off of that end. There we go. I want at least 8 rounds. Always be careful if you stand up something to slice it that way that you don't slice your fingers as well. Okay, well, that's going to be it for the moment. Okay, the lemon rounds. I'm going to put in a little ramekin with a little bit of water. These little ramekins are really nice to have on hand. And I'm just going to do that and put some plastic wrap over them to keep them kind of moist until the power's back on and I can finish doing everything. So these cut pieces of lemon I'm going to keep just in case I decide to squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice into the punch. So we will get our knife and our sharpener out of the way. All right, I'm back. The power's back on, so we can finish what we were doing here. Okay. One of the things that you can add to this punch is some Calabrian chili powder if you want to make it just a little bit spicy. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to take the food processor, take off the shredding blade, and we are going to put in the dehydrated strawberries. Gotta taste one. And the raspberries. The dehydrated strawberries are pretty easy to find. The dehydrated raspberries, a little more challenging. Also, the dehydrated blueberries are easy to find. So we're not really going to use all of this. After we powder it up, you can keep it for the next time that you make your drinks or for anything else that you want. So now we're just going to lock it in, and we're going to here we are.